Hey everybody, my name is Nick and welcome to the channel. Today I want to do a little review on Convex, and the first thing we will talk about what this service can be useful for you, and I will tell you how to register in it and show you the main features. So first of all, let's take a look on their website, and you already can see what the service can be useful. This is only decision for your backend. Convex is the open source backend for application builders and all-in-one platform with thoughtful, product-centric APIs. And here you can already get started, or you can click on login at the top right. But firstly, let's read more about this service. Not just a database, everything your product deserves to build, launch and scale. So key areas, mutations, actions, you can read about it. So it's very interesting, but now I want to read more about the service from other users. Love for Convex. There are a lot of reviews on this service. For example, if you are a React developer and want an alternative to Firebase, you might want to give Convex Dev a try. It has amazing React hooks with samples in JavaScript and TypeScript, and the price isn't bad. I'm not a Firebase expert, but it looks like all features are there. Or another one feels like what I wanted Firebase and MongoDB realm to be and more. Really enjoying the DX so far. And here you can see what frameworks Convex provides. For example, React, React Native, Python, Node.js, Rust, and so on. And just below you can find frequently asked questions. And if you don't find the necessary question here, you can just click on Learn More. And there are more questions. Okay, and now let's get started. Click on this button. Okay, and now you need to log into your GitHub account, or you need to sign up for GitHub if you haven't an account on GitHub. To create an account, just click on this button and fill all these fields. But I already have an account. Let's just type here my username and password. Okay, almost done. Welcome to Convex. Now you need to check this checkbox and click on continue. Loading. Okay, and here you can start tutorial, and here you will be shown the main functions and features of the service. For example, data tab right here, messages table, you can edit a row, for example, and so on. Okay, and now go to the main page and see what other features there are. On the first place you can see the tour on Convex. So in my opinion, this is a short tutorial about this service. Database, learn how to read and write data. Stack, get tips and tricks on using Convex. AI, use Convex to create AI apps, make the most out of Convex, best practices, and validate your data types. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you how to create a project. To do, just click on the Create Project button at the top right. Now name your project, for example, Project 1, and just click on Create right here. Okay, after that you can create table, add documents, and now just start using this service. And on the left side you can see the sidebar with different functions. I suggest you click on them and see what they are. So it was a short review on Convex. I hope it was helpful for you. Please put a like under this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.